Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. Sharp 2016 Ford Transit van. Little cargo van. It's in light new condition. It's got about 10,000 miles. This one has a backup camera. Most of these have got a bunch of miles and all wore out, but this is not the case. It's just like new. It's got the XL package with the power windows, power locks, keyless remote entry. It is a one owner, clean Carfax, non-smoker, southern vehicle. Gets your power windows, power locks. It's got the vinyl seats, easy to clean, durable. It's got the rubber floor, easy to keep clean. We're at 10,424 miles. Shows you outside temperature. It's your wiper control, AM/FM radio, ice cold air conditioning, automatic transmission, and this one is equipped with the backup camera, which is a must on these. I guess the camera doesn't show because of the filter. The pictures show it. Got your 12-volt outlet, got the owner's manual, got lots of storage up here. Got the nice rubber floor with the tie downs. This one has a door on both sides. Easy access. It's got quite a bit of room. Also, these doors open beyond a 90-degree angle. Push the button and they open all the way. These make great delivery vehicle. Fuel efficient. It's got a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. Plenty of power, reliable. As you can see, everything's nice and clean. It's been serviced, ready to go. This transit van has the remainder of the factory warranty. You can see the description for details. If you're looking for a sharp utility van in light new condition, this should do it. To see if this van is still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, or if you have any other question, you can call or text anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.